Hey, how you doing? Welcome. As you know, I work with concrete, epoxy, granite, quartz, solid surface, all kinds of brands, the backlighted solid surface, paper stone, and many other materials. And once in a while, someone wants butcher block countertops. I've done them in bamboo butcher block. You could find online, just contact PLyboo. You can make the cabinets out of that as well. But what was interesting, and this customer just wanted me to install it. Now, if you're a handyman and you want to take on this job of installing it, be careful, because it's not like you just lay it on and screw it down from the bottom and you're done. It's butcher block. It needs proper oils on it. If you're going to put a sink in it, I know some people freak out. They're like, you're not supposed to have water by it. Well, it's all about sanding it properly and sealing it. Just like granite around the sink. You just got to seal it so it, treat it well. And do your research and whatever you feel comfortable with. But let the customer know all this. Don't just slap it on and let her or him read online and then freak out about, why'd you put a sink in butcher block knowing it's wood? Well, look online. One person I found online even guarantees it for life. It's wood, so that's on you. It's all about waterproofing the wood. Okay? Alright, now with that in mind, I wish they already bought the materials. I didn't like how the long piece butted to the short piece. I would have liked to miter it. I know that might have wasted some material and had a seam down on the other end. But I think it would have looked better. That's just me. I have a problem. I'm a fanatic about trying to match all the lines up. But you gotta do what people's budget. This wasn't their house. This was like a kitchenette for their business. So what was cool was I was impressed with the price, first of all, with Walnut butcher block. And I just simply leveled it out, seamed it. Even though I wasn't happy the way the seam is, it still looked good for most part. But I had to put an undermount sink in. So I cut a jig, the square in MDF that matched the undermount sink. And I actually did it on site. I just clamped it to the butcher block and plunge routed it till the sink was gone. Then I sanded it real well, gave it a nice round over, and sealed it with the proper oils. I'm sure that was about 10 years ago, or maybe 8 years ago. Again, I don't know, but maybe there's new and improved materials you can use. The wipe-on oils, you have to do it frequently, like you do your butcher block countertops when you're preparing food. But there are wipe-on polys, there's finish. I'm not into that too much, but you may be, but you have to do your research. Everything needs to be maintained. Okay, so, but it came out pretty cool. You can do this yourself. I think she used IKEA cabinets. You can get doors for the top, which are orange. I would have liked, take some orange handles and just kind of tie it in. But that's me. This is just a very affordable way to make a kitchen look good, and I do like the Walnut butcher block. All right, so I'm done blabbing. Video. You have any questions? As usual, let me know in the comments. Okay. Have fun.